Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you bitter gourd recipe which is going to be very tasty and delicious. I will challenge you that those who don't like the bitter gourd in your family will eat this curry by licking their fingers, and this is going to be very tasty and delicious and not bitter. So let's get started. First of all, heat a kadhai or a pot on the stove and add in 3 tablespoons of oil into it. And here you can see I have chopped the bitter gourd this way and soaked it in the salt water for about 15 to 20 minutes. This step is very necessary in order to reduce the bitterness of the bitter gourd. So here I'm going to take them out into a plate. Add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt in the water that you are chopping the Karela or the bitter gourd. So you can chop it in any size or any shape that you wish for. Now add the chopped bitter gourd into the hot oil, and now we are going to fry the bitter gourd for about 5 minutes on high flame. So before frying it, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of citric acid, or we even say the nimbu ka phool in Hindi. In case you don't find it or you don't have it in your home, you can add in half cup of tamarind pulp into it. This also helps in reducing the bitterness of the bitter gourd and gives it a tangy taste and flavor. So here I have fried it continuously for about 6 to 7 minutes, and you can see the bitter gourd has changed its color. Now let's take them out onto the same plate, and we'll move forward after this step. Now we need not add any more oil into it. The oil that we have added in the first will only be sufficient for preparing the whole curry. This curry just is going to be very tasty and delicious. Do believe me guys and try it once. Now into the same hot oil, add in 5 to 6 chopped green chilies and 1 cup of sliced onions. Now continuously stir it and cook it until it becomes light golden brown. So here you can see it is turning golden. At this stage you need to add in ginger garlic paste. So here I am adding in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it for about 1 minute, and now add in following spices. First of all, add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, which gives good color but doesn't enhances the chili flavor or the hotness. Now add in the salt according to taste and fry all the masalas for about 1 minute. Now add in 1 cup chopped tomatoes into the pot and give them all a good mix. So here this is mud pot, so I'm going to add in half cup of water into it. In case you're using a non-stick pan, do not need to add any water. You can simply cook until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Now add in few coriander leaves and give them all a good mix. Cover and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. So here you can see after 5 minutes I'm going to stir it again, and our tomatoes are also done well. Now add in the fried bitter gourd into the curry that we have prepared and give it a mix thoroughly from the bottom. Now continuously mixing it, add in few coriander leaves, cover and cook on low flame for another 5 minutes. So here you can see almost our delicious Karela curry or the bitter gourd curry is just ready. In case you are making it dry, you can put the flame high and cook it continuously until the water evaporates. In case you prefer little looser, now you need to take it out and dish out. So here you can see very tasty and delicious bitter gourd curry is just ready to serve. Just enjoy it with roti, paratha, naan, or even with the regular white rice. Once do try the bitter gourd curry recipe this way and let me know your experiences in the comment section below, and also let me know how it turned out. If you like my recipes and find it interesting or useful, do hit a like button. Also share it with your friends and family members, and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Allah Hafiz.